Sean McGovern has been at the forefront of the Kinahan cartel for the last 10 years and has lived a life of effectively unimaginable luxury in probably the most exclusive residential area in the world in Dubai. But it is going to make a stark contrast from Portlaoise prison where he is now being housed. Sean McGovern grew up in Drimna in Dublin and became involved in street dealing with the Byrne organised crime group, and he quickly rose to the top, becoming almost family with members of that criminal gang. He became trusted because he was seen as a good manager, a safe pair of hands and a clever operator. But after the outbreak of the Kinahan-Hutch feud, he stepped up a level and became effectively Daniel Kinahan's right-hand man. The extradition of Sean McGovern is of huge significance for two reasons. Number one, because of the role McGovern is accused of playing in the Hutch-Kinahan feud and his suspected role in the murder of an innocent man, Noel Duckegg Kieran. But number two, it is of huge significance because of the implications for the leadership of the Kinahan cartel in Dubai. McGovern's extradition was regarded as a test case. If he could be extradited, it is possible people like Daniel Kinahan could also face the same fate. It is a huge success both for the Irish government and Gardaí. He is the first person to be extradited from the UAE, and I think Daniel Kinahan will certainly be sleeping far less comfortably in his bed tonight. Of course, McGovern also will be sleeping a lot less comfortably. It is expected he'll be housed in Portlaoise prison while he awaits going on trial in the Special Criminal Court. But it is a big success and it must have huge implications for the future for organised criminals living in the Gulf state.